Hello, family. It's your fine girl, Mara. Happy Valentine's Day, oh. Today, show somebody some love. Buy them chocolate. Don't be stingy. I'm passing the phone to the most handsome young man in the world.
Hello, people. It's your young boy, Padu. Happy Valentine's Day. If nobody buys you gift today, buy yourself a chocolate. I'm passing it on to the wisest man on earth.
Hello, friends. It's your wise man, Gecko. Happy Valentine's Day.
Small love every day is better than big love once a year. And I'm passing it on to the best chef alive.
Hi, it's your girl Amma. Happy Valentine's Day. Cook something sweet, share some good food, and spend time with the people you love. I'm passing it on to the TikTok goddess.
Hi, it's your girl Bella. Happy Valentine's Day. Post your babes' pictures today and show them some love.
I'm passing it on to the celebrity DJ.
What's poppin', guys? DJ Jammer here. Happy Valentine's Day. Turn up some good music and keep the love alive.
I'm passing it on to the CCTV in the house.
Hello, uncles, aunties, and friends. Happy Valentine's Day to you all. I'm passing it on to who is next?
I'm next. Hi friends, it's your boy Emmanu. Happy Valentine's Day. Make sure you don't spend beyond your budget today.